guys, today we're going to be fidgeting. Hey guys, so if you guys were wondering, I am doing a fidget video. I'm shopping for fidgets. If you guys were wondering, sorry for the no talking. It was just a lot of people and I didn't want to. Okay. So there we go. First, this is the and put the unicorn and a strawberry pack because I don't want too many. I got two. Okay, we're looking at the craft item. Yes. Alright, now. I love how I picked the most busiest day to come, guys. And now I'm in the makeup aisle, not the Christmas aisle, because it's already getting really busy. So I don't think alright, the tutorial is what you want. Just look what I showed. How to turn the basket. Yes, they are kind of fidgets. Let's get the little yellow. No, it's cute. Okay. What else? Yes. No, that was They're really cute. That's pretty. Okay. I'm gonna get the Rubik's Cube. Look how cute. Okay, we're done with that. Alright, so far we're doing pretty good. We found a lot so far. Oh, wow. You're involved. Nobody involved. Let me see there. Oh my gosh, guys. We just found. Okay. I'm gonna get this one. Okay. There we go. Okay, that was great success. I just keep track of what I'm getting. I don't have the $31 budget. But, so guys. Is it someone? It's already puppy. I like Star, obviously. Orlando. It's cute. kind of like a little mermaid. Okay, I probably had to get 2 squishies. I ended up getting 3. That's okay. You can never go wrong with 2 many squishies. Wait, did we have 2 colors for green? No, it's pink. Well, the blue's better, in my opinion. For now. They have sticky bracelets. Oh my goodness, wait. Oh, and they have textured monkey noodles. Okay, I'm doing this purple one. I'm gonna get another pack of sticky bracelets because I've been really wanting these. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna count how much stuff I've got here. Alright, so I put back a few items because I want to be able to also finish up Christmas gifts first that I have to get. But, silly putty. Oh, baby Oreos. These are freaking sticky bracelets though. I am still so shocked about that, guys. I honestly was not expecting it. What else is there? So I'm not buying a lot of fidgets because I need money to get other stuff. Okay, I have a question. Would you call this a fidget? Honestly, I don't fully know, so I'm not gonna get it. But I'm getting more comfortable talking now, which is really embarrassing. Hey, would this be like a fidget? I honestly say it would because it's kind of like actually really stressful for me. I used to have one of these when my friend did. They let me borrow it for like a week. It helped with so much, so I'm gonna call that a fidget. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna go look at yeah, let's go look at the party area because there might be some fidgets there. So let's go check. Sorry it's so loud, guys, and you guys can barely hear me. It's just because I have anxiety. I do not. It's talking. Oh, what do you call these kind of fidgets? Oh, those are cute. Alright. Pops, no. Alright, so there's no fidgets here. We're going to go head over to the containers because I want to grab a container to put some fidgets in. I already have tons of fidgets if you guys were wondering. But, yeah. I just need a container to put some stuff in. So, okay, so I found this. I think this might work. But for now, so I'm going to leave that here. Kind of look around more. Oh, you know what I should look at? Hang on. I'm going over there right now. We're gonna go look at this at my favorite aisle here, which is the how do we down here? If you guys are wondering, I really like this aisle because it has tons of cute things. I used to buy every single thing here because there's nothing for me to buy here. But, okay. Alright, it didn't come out with anything really new, which kind of sucks. Let's look down here fast. Nope. Darn it, that sucks, but that's okay. Alright. Now, we're gonna go back to the place where I really wanted to look, but I couldn't, because people, I really know. Okay, yeah, let's go look. Okay. Okay. There's tons of people in the toys. I was gonna go check and see if there's something there, but hang on. Okay, I'm back in the party aisle. This whole entire place is so busy. It's ridiculous. It's actually kind of like a fidget. I am not going to that. Okay. What's so pretty? Oh, look how pretty these straws are. I'm in love. Okay. So I'm going to go check out now. So I'll make a part 2 to this video. I'll post it when I get home. Like that. And yes, I almost forgot. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll post more fidget content, toga content, Roblox content, just any kind of content actually. But yeah, bye.